Oh, shit. What the fuck was this? Oh, well,
Here. Help me. Help me. Wait just a minute. Hold on to me. Here. Look right here.
You want to play with people emotions. You ain't about to be doing none of that freaky shit to that man in that house no more. You in there doing that freaky shit to that to your husband. And this ain't even gasoline. This tap water. I ain't about to burn nobody up. I love you. Just call me.
What the fuck is going on? Stop! Stop right now! Stop! Carl, hang on, dude. What?
Hello?
Hiya. We're Jehovah's Witnesses. Is it okay if we just leave you something, a little leaflet through the door?
Yeah, so I'm just having some gay bum sex with my male lover, but yeah, drop them through, that's fine.
Okay, alright, bye-bye.
I think it's